There it is. Oh, full sideways. The unveiling of the M3 Touring was last night. I wonder if they're gonna take off the camo wrap. Oh, there we have the M2. Really excited for that car. Oh, hello. Really excited for the M2, especially after having driven the G42 M240. But on the other hand, also most importantly, good morning comrades. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back at the Nürburgring, and as you can see and as promised yesterday, today we will be filming the industry pool, checking out the latest prototypes, also the less exciting ones. Another M2. What's that? Jaguar. Interesting cars, but I am most excited about the GT3 RS, the 992. It was spotted yesterday fully uncamoed and the aero is absolutely sick. So I hope we'll see it and we'll capture it in some nice slow-mo later on. The new SL63. Funny, that RS3 was also lapping in Touristenfahrt in last night. Here's the first McLaren that we saw yesterday as well. Big and heavy. Oh. Look at that body roll of the S-Class. Absolutely fabulous. It's like a combination between a minivan and an SUV. The new Genesis. That's cool, but I want to see the new one. Ah, Aston Martin. Hello there. There it is. Was it slow-mo?
Yes.
Cool.
Okay, we got it. Let's go home.
Yeah. Take a curb. Take the curb. You take the curb. Oh, full sideways. Yeah. That was a nice one. Thank you, Porsche. Take the curb. You take the curb for sure. Yeah. Good RS6. You're definitely not gonna take the curb. What the hell? The EQ model is taking the curb. McLaren? Oh. Well, I mean it's a V8, so kind of counts. Interesting, that Panamera had a full roll cage in it. I mean, they're not just gonna be testing with a cage. It's probably there for some of the upcoming records or something. Because I believe the AMG GT63 S 4MATIC Plus, the longest name in the world, currently still has the record for the fastest executive vehicle on the ring. So it would make sense that Porsche would try to reclaim it. It would be more even fun to do it with a Sport Turismo and have the fastest Avant estate or wagon record that is currently in the hands of the M3. Makes sense. Yes. Let's go somewhere else. Oh, look, it's the M2 from the presentation. We now moved to Sabine Schmidt's curve. Check out the cars from here. Look, the Audi painting is still there from 24-hour race. I haven't been here since, even before that, I guess. Old versus new, although this one was not an AMG. You can hear the electric powertrain. So that was the Gen 2 992 hybrid 911. Oh, look at those fenders. No one is allowed to see those. Not super exciting. Good apex. Is that a facelift M3? Or maybe a CS version? Oh, I haven't seen you in a while. Tiguan R. Facelift X7, I guess. And the 7th. Or is this the updated 3 Series? Still no clue which EQ model this is. Cayenne GT, probably in a warm-up lap. That's also a warm-up lap. XM. Touring. Not so touring. Definitely not a touring. Take the curb. Boo. Come on, McLaren, take the curb. Yes. You'd definitely be taking the curb. Yes, that Audi's here, onto the curb, yes! Boo. The battle of SUVs. Come on, Aston, you can do better than that. Ooh. Come on, XM, take the curb. Yes. Alright, just because you're touring, you're excused from taking the curb, but that was kind of disappointing. Meh. Hybrid. Will the 7 Series take the curb? Sad. Big understeer onto the curb. What's that? Ah, it's a Mini. Countryman. Curbstone man. Sadness. Well, hopefully we'll get to see the GT3 RS again from this angle. Touring again. Well, I guess that's pretty much it for today. Hope you enjoyed this industry pool session that we captured for you guys. There's going to be plenty of those in the upcoming weeks, so hopefully we'll get to have a better shots of the GT3 RS uncamoed, although we could see something, and maybe we can make a separate video on that. Until then, let me know what was your favorite car, and also least favorite car, and who took the curb the best. I think we can do like voting. Who did the best curb action, either Wittmann or here in Hatzenbach. See you guys in tomorrow's video, here at the Nürburgring. Bye!